Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to freeze rows and columns in Excel. This is super useful when you're working with large data sets, so you can keep your headers or important information visible while scrolling. So without wasting time, let us start. So here I have a table that have some sample data. I have the employee ID, their names, the department they work in, the region, the sales they did, sales the first, second one, third, fourth in different years. So this is just a sample data. So if you want to freeze this cell, first of all, you have to, if you're working with a large data that if you scroll down, you forget, you don't see your headers and all that. So you can freeze your headers when you're scrolling down to know which data belongs to which section. So to do that, click anywhere on your spreadsheet away from your data, then go to the view tab up here. Then this ribbon will pop up. Then go to this place where it says freeze pans. Then click on it like that. Then if you want to freeze the top row, this is the row, then the columns go down like this. So if you want to freeze the top row like this, you just click on freeze the top row. Then when you scroll down, as I'm doing, you can see I'm scrolling down like that, going up, going down, but you see my headers are not moving. So the same can happen. You can just unfreeze, go back to unfreeze pens. Then if you want to freeze your first row, you just click anywhere, then go back to view tab, go to freeze pens like that. Then you can see this option that says freeze first column. Once you click on it, this column is freezed immediately. So even if you scroll this way, when you go this way, when you're scrolling, moving on your right section, you can see this data is just still there. The ID employees is still there. So if I scroll back like that, then you can see the data is there. Then if I want to unfreeze, just go back and unfreeze. Now, the question that you're asking yourself, what if I want to freeze the headers together with this row? You can just come here. Then if you want to freeze this column, then this row, you just click just below it, next to it, the cell that intersects between the two, so that let's say, for example, this row, column A, then you want to freeze row 1, so you click below there. So then you go back to your tab view like this, then you go to freeze pens, then you click on freeze pans. Then you click on that, then you can see it freezes this section and this section. So when I scroll down, you can see this section is frozen. Let me say I go this way, so you can see this section is frozen. Then as well as the headers, when I scroll down, they are frozen. If you want to unfreeze, you just go back, the same process, go here, then go to unfreeze. And that is how simply you can do freezing and unfreezing your rows and columns in either side. So if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Excel tips, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you would like next. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.